This is question 2 in a non-calculator paper. Let's read the question first. It said, Mr. Mason asks 240 Year 11 students what they want to do next year. Now, 15% of the students want to go to college, 3/4 of the students want to stay at school, and the rest do not know. So the rest do not know. And I want you to work out the number of students who do not know. So you want to know the number of students who do not know. So what I need to do is to work out 15% of 240. I need to work out 3/4 of 240 and find out how much that is altogether, and then take it away from 240. And that's one technique. There are several other ways you could do this, but I'm going to do it this way. To work out 15% of 240, given that this is non-calculator technique, what I know is that 10% is going to be 24, 5% is therefore 12, so 15% is going to give me what? 36. So 36 students said they wanted to go to college. 3/4 of 240, well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to find a quarter of 240. A quarter of 240 is 240 divided by 4. Well, if I'm unsure about that, if I just think about 24 divided by 4, how many times does 4 go into 24? It goes into 24 6 times, so 240 divided by 4 is 60. So if a quarter of 240 is 60, that means 3/4 of 240 is going to be 3 times 60, which is 180. So what that means is 180 students want to stay on at school. So we want to work out the rest, how many don't know. And remember, all 3 of these add up to 240. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to work out 180 plus 36, which is what? 6. 8 and 3 is 11. Carry 1. 216. So 240 take away 216 is going to be what? 24. So my answer to this question, which I'll write in the answer space below, is 24. And do make sure that you write it into the answer space down at the bottom to make sure you secure full marks for this question. It's a pretty straightforward question, very common question. Make sure you understand it, make sure you know what was done and how to arrive at the answer.